This product with the red lid is the 3M spraying respirator kit. It's the 6251 A1P2 filter respirator kit. We're going to look at what actually comes in the box to arrive at what's on the head in my right hand. The spraying respirator kit is one of our most popular respirator kits. It covers so many different jobs, such as spraying pesticides, spraying a variety of paints, chemical handling, thinners, various solvents. It covers solvents that are in the Fibreglassing industry, in the printing industry, and used in degreasing. So let's have a look at what's in the spraying respirator kit box now. I'll remove the lid. It's a sturdy plastic box. Inside the box, there's the respirator itself. So this is the 3M 6000 series half-mast respirator. Hasn't got its filters on yet. This is the organic Vapour A1 filters. There's some P2 particulate filters. These are called retainer covers, so they hold the P2 particle filter on top of the organic Vapour filter. There's a couple of respirator wipe sachets for cleaning the respirator. There's a respiratory guide from the manufacturer 3M. There's a bag, there's a user guide, and there's a list of spare parts and alternative filters that are available for the product. So this is the A1 organic Vapour filter. I'll open them up. So there's a pair of these inside. So inside there's activated charcoal or activated carbon, so that they absorb gases and vapours. Then this packet here is the P2 particulate filters. So they simply drop on the top of the organic Vapour filter, and they're held down by the retainer cover. Then the filters attach to the respirator. They're a Twistlock design. They're locked in place. So the respirator looks like that. You'll notice the box itself is sturdy with a rubber seal around the top. The idea once these organic Vapour filters are out of the packet, they start absorbing vapours and gases in the air. So when you're not using the respirator, it's best to put the respirator filters back in the box, and it's an airtight box. So the lid is clamped down, and that'll prolong the life of the organic Vapour filters significantly. The 3M 6251 A1P2 spraying respirator kit. This is the kit. This is what it looks like out of the pack. Contact your local SafetyQuip branch for further information.